We most certainly have experienced some intense energies since the June solstice. We are moving through a huge portal that illuminates truth with the capacity for a great transformation. The full moon in July is on the 13th, and it will be sitting in the zodiac sign of Capricorn, the sign of discipline, patience, structure, and order. This energy assists us in creating a universal foundation and encourages us to connect with a higher part of ourselves. You can use your creativity to discover messages your higher self has for you. You might like to explore intuitive painting this month. So intuitive painting is an opportunity for us to explore the inner self through the creative process in a safe, non-judgmental environment. It's not a particular technique or method that you have to follow. But before you start painting, just simply take a few moments to tune into your body and your breath and clear your mind and set your intention to connect with your higher self. Then you can tune into your own unique creative process. Do whatever feels natural for you to do whilst releasing any attachment or meaning to the outcome. This approach to painting is focused on mindfulness, creative empowerment, and free-flowing expression. Intuitive painting originates from the belief that creativity is a fundamental human need and it contributes greatly to our well-being. So give intuitive painting a try this month. It can be so enlightening, energizing, maybe sometimes emotional, but very fun and extremely transformative. Through the painting process, we can learn to acknowledge that anything that comes up is coming up to be healed. I'm sending you endless blessings.